let's talk about regrets. I feel like it's so tempting to get caught up by thoughts. If only I did this, I would have gotten XYZ. If only I was successful at this, I could have lived a better life. I could have opened up more paths, more opportunities. If only I was better. If only I did more. And it's so easy to fall into that trap, into that slump of feeling like whatever we do will not be enough because we still have regrets about what happened. I get that too sometimes, and I would snap out of it no matter how hard, and remind myself that I did the best that I could do in that moment, and the best thing that I could do right now is to accept what happened and to move forward because I know that it's gonna make sense eventually. It may not make sense now, but it will make sense eventually. Our worth will never be dependent on what we can do, on what we cannot do. We're inherently worthy. Nothing we do or do not do could make us lose that.